Iranians living in exile from all over Europe have come here to Munich for this enormous protest. People we have spoken to have said it's about a huge show of unity, a response to the brutal crackdown in Iran that has seen thousands killed by security forces.
It's very sad to say we are paying a price, of course. It's youth that they are dying every day. These bloods is so sad. But I think we're going to have some achievement.
ما اینجا هستیم تا صدای مردم ایران باشیم، صدای این انقلاب باشیم، صدای مظلومیت مردم ایران که این رژیم جمهوری اسلامی می‌خواست خفش بکنه، ساکت بکنه.
This protest is part of a global day of action called by Reza Pahlavi, son of the last Shah of Iran, who was deposed in the Islamic Revolution in 1979. He's one of numerous figures in Iran's fractious exiled opposition, and he arrived earlier to cheers from the crowd. His message: change must come to Iran. Earlier at a news conference, he urged US President Donald Trump to take military action.
The Iranian people heard you say help is on the way, and they have faith in you. Help them, and history will record you alongside not just the Iranian nations, but the world's greatest heroes.
The mood here has been defiant and angry. People are concerned for their loved ones in Iran, but also hopeful that this time the bloodshed will lead to a change of regime in their country.